Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. Can you have a daily quiet time with God? How about a daily quiet time with your spouse? Most of us believe that a daily quiet time with God keeps our relationship with God very vital and genuine. I believe that the same is true in a marital relationship. Couples who have an intimate relationship and marriage are those who stay connected. A daily sharing time with your spouse is an easy way to make that connection. So what do you talk about in this daily sharing time? Here's my suggestion. Tell each other 3 things that happened in your life today and how you feel about them. If 3 things seems overwhelming, then of course start with only 1. But set a time to share. Life is lived one day at a time and must be shared the same way. God bless you today.